Hi and welcome back to the vlog. I'm going to make another coffee cocktail for you, and this is from the Coffee Cocktails book by Jason Clark. This is the Un-FIG-Gettable. Very clever play on words, Jason. So this particular one, I'm making a few little tweaks on the recipe. So the original recipe does call for a Spanish brandy. I'm going to be using an Australian brandy, and the bitters is different. I can't remember the name of it, even though the book is sitting right next to me. I'll write it in the description below. But there is some similarities between the two different bitters that I'm using. The bitters in the book features notes of coffee, cacao, and spices, allspice I believe, and the Xocolatl Bitters is a dry bitterness with cacao. So there's some similarities, so I think this is probably a good substitute. So to get started, we'll measure up 40 mils of the brandy, followed by a Pedro Ximinez, which is a sweet style sherry. So 20 mils. And this is going to play really well with the fig jam. A lot of richness that it's going to add to the drink. Then next up we've got cold brew coffee. So 40 mils. And a teaspoon of fig jam. Going a little bit heavy-handed there. And the recipe does call for 3 dashes of bitters. I'm going to hold back a little bit and just do 2. The last time I had this bitters, it was quite full on. Then fill your Boston glass with ice and give it a shake. Then grab your chilled cocktail glass. This particular one I'm going to double strain. Reason being is it's got that fig jam and I want to keep those particles out of the drink. The only problem with double straining when you utilize coffee is that sometimes it can kill the foam from the coffee. So the book does call for a fig garnish. I don't have a fresh fig lying around. So there you have an Un-FIG-Gettable. Cheers. Delicious, not as sweet as I was expecting. I thought the Pedro Ximinez and the jam would have been a little bit overpowering, but it's actually really quite delicate. Some subtle sweet notes that complement the cacao with the bitters and the coffee. Like, this is quite a nice coffee cocktail, worth a shot. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.